Okay, so I want to design this screen of in the all cars here. First I load the cars here. Okay, I have the static JSON. For now I load this static JSON in the list view. Okay, later I will integrate this API later. Okay, let's copy this one. Where is that cars list? Here. For now where is a view model? Let's need to create a view model, right? So view model. Next. Okay, in the view model. Okay, okay, let's integrate the API. Okay, again you guys confuse this. Okay, we have the base URL, right? We have the base URL, we can integrate now. Huh? Directly we can integrate API, then we'll divide the separate the repository and then to service layer later. Okay, so class cars view model extends notify. Next, create get cars. Okay, so in this I'm going to get the data from this API. As per this is a base URL. So go to the server constant, put a base URL here. And next one is string. So static get all cars. Okay. This is endpoint API slash cars. Okay. Now go to the cars view model. Final URL equal to server constants base URL plus server constant cars dot get all cars. And you have to use the do package, right? So go to the pub.dev. Pub.dev do package. Let's install this do package again. Do added. We need other package also. Which package? Okay, so we added two packages now. Let's go here. Okay, and this is URL. This view model we need to configure in the main.dot, right? So the material app I need to render with another widget. So called multi dot. The children is sorry, provider is change notified. What is the provider name? Cars list provider, right? Cars list view model. Cars view model, right? This is all right. This is right. Yeah. Cars view model. Done. So here is we completed this part. So here write a try catch, right? Try catch. So here one important thing is we have the response, right? This is a get call. So this response I need to convert into the model class. There, copy the response, um, go to the JSON to dot, JSON to dot, paste it, cars model data, right? Okay, copy, create another folder. Already folder is created, right? Clear? Huh? So cars view model, we have the cars, right? We have the from JSON to JSON also, right? We have some lint issue because of its try to remove the this one. Okay, uh, that's too later. It's not stopping us. Okay, now what is the next? Using the Deo package, right? Final. Let's create. Why it's getting error here? So okay, so instead of this, asking to create a constant. Clear? Huh? Okay, now try catch. Finally, why again issue here, right? So empty catch block. We have to write asking to write something else in the okay. So in the empty catch, write something like print or something. Okay, or we'll write some error kind of thing. Okay, or no. Hmm? Okay, now let's create a final do object. Okay, do and import the quick fix. Import this one in the try block. Let's find out the final response equal to wait do object get. Okay, okay. So synchronous. We got a response, right? So in this response, if response dot data response dot status code, right? Status code is equal to 200, then get the parsing this response to model class, right? Fine. Cars model equal to what is the cars model dot from JSON, right? Model data dot from JSON passing the response dot data. Clear? So if is a try catch block, okay. So I will do something. So for this, what we require from the cars.v model, we require this response, right? This list, we require this list, right? Let's create a global variable on the top. Okay, empty initial empty cars. I will remove the optional here. Okay, so this cars dot data assigned to the our cars equal to cars model dot cars. So if it's empty, assign the empty block. Even catch also we'll do something like empty. We put a empty array to stop the error. And finally, we'll call the notify listener. Any doubts till now? Right? So once you open the cars list, we call the API to fetch the information from the server. Clear? Huh? So where you need to call the API? Go to the cars list screen, put a write init state. Right? In init state, write fetch cars list. Fetch cars. Okay, it should be asynchronous method. This method I'll call in the instance. The fetch cars final cars view model provider dot. We have to import the provider also from the provider package. Listen false, right? So what we need to call cars view model dot get cars. Clear? Huh? We call the API. In the view model, we get a response from the API and notify listener to the view model. Now, what is the next? What next? Tell me. You have to design the screen, right? List view. listed builder. But here again same thing, I required a cars model. Okay, legend, I will remove the legend, false. Okay, item builder, we have to design the screen, right? So and next, what next? Hmm? Item count. Okay, cars view model dot length. Okay, in this I'm going to return the something else. Okay, I need to design the this card, right? We have created a separate component for that. Let's create the design in the component. We'll pass the information from here. Okay, for now just load the uh, for now load this information now. Okay, final, let's demo, let's remove. Okay, the final card data equal to cars model dot cars of index, right? Now return the list of items here. So okay, card data dot image, card data dot name, card data dot branding, and now see, clear. Hope is clear. We can able to get the data, right? For now this is static design. Let's run the program. Better run. See the output now. Okay, so now see where is, okay, you got it right. See, images also came, right? Okay, clear, huh? But this is not actual design. Just we are fetching the information from the API and display on the screen. But as per the screen design, we need to design the component, right? So what is the design here? This is the design, right? This is total one card, right? There is a image, okay, and this is the title. This is the rating. This is the per day. How much? This is the automatic or manual transmission. Okay, we have all the data in there. Let's create a one static component, static, sorry, one reusable component for the card title. Okay, card. Okay, where is that? Widgets. Go to the widget. That widget I will going to load here. Okay, where is the widget? Here, right? Cars. We didn't create, right? Let's create a cars view widget. Cars card widget. Okay. Dot dot. Let's create stateless widget. Okay. Okay. So here column, right? Let's do in the card. Okay, if you use the card, no need to apply card kind of design to the container. Okay, so now child column children. Okay, inside the children. Okay, okay, sorry, it should be stateless widget, right? Stateless widget. So what is required here? What data is required here? All car information, right? Instead of passing one by one information, I have the model object for the cars, right? I have the model object, right? What is the model? Cars. Directly I'm passing that object to the card. Okay, clear. Fine. Car, cars, card data. Clear, huh? So instead of passing the individual item, directly I'm passing the object, direct object, right? In this object is contained in information, right? This information which is required we can use there. Okay, card widget. Hope it's clear. So instead of model we can pass all the values. That's why directly I'm passing the object. That object, this is our car list screen, right? I remove everything from there, right? Okay, which card, car, card widget, right? Directly I'm passing the card data. This car data is there. Directly I'm passing this. 1 second. I have some issue. Let me, yeah, that's we have to follow the very carefully, which is need to delete or not. Okay, I need to delete from here to here only. Okay, not this one. Okay, card widget. That's it. Clear? So instead of writing so much of code here, I will write in the separate component. Just pass the data. That's it. So here, list view, car list view, work is done. In the card, where is a we are creating the car's card, right? There we design the screen. Okay. So we need to design the screen, right? Instead of the car container, I will use the card component. Card, right? Now this is information directly we are passing here. Let's do the pricing separately. Let's run this. Now look like this. Clear? How is that? But I'm not satisfied with the image.network. Clear? Because every time it's loading, it's getting the data using image.network. In this place, cache network. We have to use the cache network. Let's use the cache network here. Go to the pub.dev, right? And install the cache network image. Cache network image. This one, right? So go to the installation and go to the copy. Now see, paste it. Okay. Okay. For cache network also, we can create a separate component. Okay. We'll create a wrapper. Maybe in the future, instead of cache, we can use anything, right? So let's create a separate component for the network image. Okay. In the widget, I'm going to create another folder called cache network image widget. Okay. Dot dot. In this, what we required? What we required? This only required stateless stateless. Just here we required the okay. Only we required the string, right? Image URL. Okay, image URL for now. Okay, and that is required, right? Required image.network. In this, let's use the SVG, sorry, cache image network image, right? That's it. Okay, so now let's run this one. You can see some differentiation before and after. Okay, let's run this. I want to see. Ah, I know that. I know that I didn't call that. I want to see some different. I want to show some differentiation between the previous and now. Okay, while scrolling, again it's a render again. Using the cache network, not render. Okay, let's do. We got it right. Image AC, it's working. But if you scroll up, it's loading, right? Now we can see it's loading, right? If you again scroll up, again it's loading. So this is the problem of image.network. Instead of that, we are using the cache network. Okay. So now let's go inside the uh, cars card screen. Instead of this, we'll use the our cache network image widget. Here I'm passing the cars data dot image, right? Now see the differentiation and before and after. We can see some differentiation. If it's loaded, oh, we got some issue. Let's fix that issue now. Issue here, I'm calling the same class name here. but I'm supposed to call the cache network image, right? Cache network image, right? This is a package, right? Yeah. Now see the output. Without cache image, it's loaded again. But if it's a cache image, now see, if you're using the cache, right, there is no loading again. It's taking from the cache. Already download some data in the cache memory. That's taking from the cache memory. If it's not found, it will directly it's taking from the internet. Clear? Huh? So this is a cache network image. Now I need to add some loader. I need to add while downloading. Okay. Clear? Huh? I want to add some loader inside the cache network image. Okay. In the cache network image, there is other one is progress indicator builder, right? Let's write progress indicator builder inside the load a progress like this. Okay. If is error, it display the error icon. It's showing the progress indicator value. Okay. Let's run again. Let's see the progress, right? Did you see the progress? Okay. Let me already is downloaded, right? You didn't see the much differentiation. Let it delete the application and run again. Okay. Now after delete the cache also delete and it's run again. Now you can see the output with some loading indicator. Now you can see the loader. See the loader here. Clear? Huh? It's loaded, right? See, this is the image caching network. Now I need I need to do some alignments and everything now. Let's do now. Okay. It's like a car. It's a card only, but I need to add some font and as per the design, I need to do something like that. Okay.